Hey, we're trying to film a YouTube video. Yeah. Maybe we should have went and got my dollies. Welcome back to another episode of Jesse Does It. Today, I am at Randy's house and we are going to be stripping down his D250 for the axles. He's got 1-ton axles on this and we want to put it on his 150. So, very cool truck. He found pretty much a unicorn. Has a Dana 60 front, Dana 60 rear. Dana 60 rear?
70.
Dana 70 rear, even better, and an MP205 transfer case. The crazy thing about these Dodges is the front axle has to be this old school with the passenger side pumpkin in order for it to go on this one, because it also has the passenger side pumpkin. So while this has been a great Dana 44 for him, it's time for 1 ton so that he can rock crawl harder, put some bigger tires on it, and make it more badass. Here we go. Who put these on? King Kong?
Oh shit, Jesus Christ.
Bring a big hammer too. This one popped right off.
Then this side should probably do it. You got a lug on it still, you jackass.
Do I really?
Yeah.
Where? Oh.
We could go. We don't have to haul ass and work today. We're fine.
Folks at home, I have no idea what I'm doing. Who needs Z-brake cables? Whoa!
Holy shit balls, dude.
Oh. What the hell? I've never seen that happen.
I've never seen that happen either.
Oh my god.
This truck has been nothing but pure anarchy, dude. This truck's nuts.
Oh my gosh. Mostly water.
Literally blew apart.
Crazy.
There's no pressure or strain on this thing at all.
Did you move the GoPro?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you okay? Did it catch that?
I don't know.
That was insane.
Damn.
Sorry.
Poof.
You know, now that I think of it, I still ain't getting this axle out with the wheels on it.
We'll have to lift the back of the truck up.
We're smart. We're smart.
All right.
Some idiot would have brought his rolling dollies.
Yep.
He didn't ask me for them, to be fair. Well, now we gotta use our muscles.
Oh, hold on. All right. Right there, that's a good stop point. If you want to come out this side.
I'll push. You got it by yourself. Oh, Dumb and Dumber over here working on a car.
You're fine. Oh, lift up.
She got heavy.
There we go. Ah.
That's the rear out. Oh, that ain't gonna work.
That's why I forgot about that. It's been a minute. Yeah.
Leaf springs in the way. Okay.
Oh, swivel it downward, all the way down to the ground and pull it off.
Yeah, sure. That sounds like a good idea.
You gotta push the shock in.
I ain't doing that shit.
Watch yourself. Get a lower end up. Are you kidding me?
Here goes my hand. We're good.
Think back to the camera that maybe we should have went and got your dollies.
Maybe we should have went and got my dollies. You just live 30 minutes away one direction. Woo, that tickled. Busted hand and all, we're good.
Alright, let me turn. Sorry. Keep going with your side.
So much big It's your new home, buddy. Look at your new home. Bye-bye. All right, we are wrapping up with the House of Dodges.
It's awesome. A lot of Dodges.
We got the axles out of the D250. They are 1-ton axles and they're gonna go in the W150. And that was a pretty cool job. 2 people definitely needed, and I wish I had brought my wheel dollies because that would have been nice, but forgot them. So other than that, it went great. Just cut it all out quick and easy, and they should bolt on into the new one. So as always, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It. Thanks for tuning.
No.
Go ahead, jump in.
I got nothing to say now.
Randy, are you stoked to have your new
man.
1-tons?
I'm stoked to have the 1-tons.
I mean, how long have you been searching on Marketplace for a truck like this?
I've been searching forever to find like the front and rear together and 410s, and I happened to find the whole truck. And in the picture, the kid didn't even know that he had these axles. I saw the little kingpin nipple at the top, like from a very far distance, and I was like, that's it. And I looked in more in this truck. This is actually a Sno-Commander, and this one came with the MP205 and 70 and 60 for the front. So I gave him 1200. He took it, and it was a long drive home with it.
That's
it
awesome.
actually ran.
That's awesome. Yeah. I wish we had GoPro'd his driving it, but I wasn't there for that. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. As always, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.